Good day to you, my respected employer in Hong Kong. My name is Emerlyn Calabagan. I am 40 years old. I am married. I have one child, boy, age 14 years old. I am high school graduate. I have 5 siblings. I have one brother and 3 sisters. I have work experience in Singapore for 8 years. My first employer I finished for 4 years, from 2017 to 2022. I served one couple and 3 children, ages 8, 12, and 15. My responsibilities is to take care of the children, do the house chores like cleaning, washing, marketing, cooking, gardening, and car washing. And to my second employer, I finished for 4 years from 2013 to 2017. I served one couple and 3 children ages 18 years old, 23, and 27 years old, and 2 dogs. My responsibilities is to take care of the dogs and do the house chores like marketing, cooking, ironing, washing, car washing, and many more. And I have experience also in Middle East for 2 years, and from 2006 to 2008 I served one couple and 3 one baby 8 months and 2 toddler, uh, 2 years old and 5 years old. My responsibilities is to take care of the baby and the toddler and do the house chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, and washing. To my future employer in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. And I am patient, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking. I promise to do all my very best to serve your family in the future. Thank you so much and God bless.